In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text and images to Google Sites. This process is straightforward and efficient, allowing you to enhance your website with both informative content and visual appeal. Google Sites is an excellent tool for creating simple websites, whether you're working on a personal blog, a company site, or an educational project. Now let's get started. First, open Google Sites and navigate to the page where you want to add your text and images. If you're starting fresh, you might find it helpful to plan out the layout you envision for your site. A clear structure helps to keep your content organized and visually attractive. Once you're ready, look at the right-hand side menu of your Google Sites interface. You'll find a button labeled Insert. Click on that and a new menu will appear with various options to add different elements to your site. Look for the text box option and click on it. This action will insert a text box onto your page where you can type directly. Add your content by clicking inside the text box and typing or pasting the information you want to display. Next, let's add an image to complement your text. Just below the text box option, you'll notice another option labeled Images. Click on Images and you'll see multiple choices to add images. You can upload from your computer, select from your Google Photos, or even search the web directly through Google. For now, we'll focus on uploading from your computer, so click on Upload. A window will pop up allowing you to browse your computer files. Navigate to the folder where your desired image is stored. Once you find the image, click on it and then hit Open or Select, depending on your operating system. Google Sites will upload the image to your page, where you can drag it to the desired location and resize it if necessary. Remember, alignment and balance are key components of any well-designed site. Ensure your text and images are positioned in a way that feels natural and visually appealing to the viewer. If you want to add more than one image or text box, simply repeat these steps. After adding your content, it's a good idea to preview your site to see how everything looks. Google Sites provides a handy preview tool for just this purpose, allowing you to see how your page will appear on different devices. Make any necessary adjustments for optimal display, and there you have it. You now know how to add text and images to your Google Sites. This fundamental skill is a great start to building a compelling online presence. Keep experimenting with styles and layouts to find what best suits your needs. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating your Google site.